Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Timothy in Idaho on the new Stryker SR-447HPC2. Timothy, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade. She's ready to talk. We're going to start with RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Get set at about 2 watts all the way down so you get full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. About 13 all the way up. And I'm going to show you average power swing. Oh, around 50, well, about 48. Let's try it again. Oh, we'll call it 48. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Right there at the 100 watt mark. So roll it all the way down. 2 watt carrier. Hello, hello, hello. Same 98, 99 watts. Alrighty. Timothy, here you go, bud. Ready to come to the potato state from your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.